Hello and welcome back to Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Wilson, North Carolina. Business owners, thank you so much for your time today to look at our 2020 Ram 3500. Hey, this is the crew cab, four-wheel drive, 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. Take a look on the back. We just got this one in. We are set up for your business right now. It is set up for towing, fifth wheel. Also right under the hatch right there, you can set this up the way that you need it. It's easy to do. Now, hey, you worried about your crew? Look inside. Hey, I'm 6'4" and I've got plenty of leg room right in there, and these seats are easy to keep clean. Just wipe them down. Right up here, take a look. One of the best trucks on the market right now. So why don't you come see us at Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Wilson, North Carolina. We are located at 3700 Raleigh Road Parkway West. Thanks for the time. We'll see you soon.